In this video, I'll show you how to verify your Western Union account step by step. By the way, if you run a business, Western Union probably isn't the best option for you, but I'll explain more about that later in the video.
To verify your Western Union account, first go to westernunion.com and log in. Once you're logged in, you'll be redirected to your account dashboard. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner. From there, you'll need to enter some personal information to verify your account. Start by entering your first and last name, and you can optionally add your middle name. Then provide your street address, with the option to add a second address if needed, followed by your zip code, city, and state. Next, enter your date of birth and carefully review your information before completing your profile. Once everything is correct, click Save. After that, add your mobile number. Click on the mobile field, enter your number, request the verification code, and then enter the code to confirm your phone number. Next, set up your payment preferences. Depending on your choice, you can link a credit or debit card or a bank account. If you choose a card, enter the card number, CVV, expiration date, and billing address. Finally, add a security question for extra protection, then click Save and Submit. Once this is done, your Western Union account will be fully verified, letting you send money safely and efficiently anywhere in the world.
Western Union is decent, but personally, I prefer MoneyGram for day-to-day money transfers, especially if you live in the US or Canada. If you're worried about online fraud, they even have physical locations near you where you can make transfers in person. There's a link in the description below to create a free account. But if you run a business or plan to start one, AirWallex is a much better option. You can send and receive money from all over the world in many different currencies. It's a complete business banking account that goes way beyond what Western Union offers. There should be a video popping up on your screen now. It's a detailed AirWallex review covering everything you need to know. Click the video to start watching.